Welcome. In front of me is OPPO Find X8, and in this video I will show you what to do if your fingerprint scanner doesn't recognize your fingerprint. In such case, the first thing you'll have to do is to set up a new fingerprint. So let's go to the Settings application, open Security and Privacy, then select Device Unlock, then select Fingerprint and Face Unlock. Select Fingerprint, draw your pattern. Now remove all the old fingerprints from your device, and then before we add a new fingerprint, let's wipe the space at the area at which we will be placing our finger in order to make it smoother so that it can read our fingerprints clearer. Now once you wiped your device's screen, tap Add Fingerprint, continue, and then let's proceed with adding a new fingerprint to our device. Okay, so the new fingerprint is set up, and before we proceed, let's go back into the settings menu and check if our phone is up to date so that it doesn't cause any problems with our fingerprint scanner. Check if your device is up to date, and if it is, like mine, then the last thing you'll have to do is to simply restart your phone. It might also help. So hold down the power key, then select Restart. Now, as you can see, the phone is restarted, so let's try and use our finger to unlock our phone again. And as you can see, everything works for me. I hope it helped you too, and if it did, please let us know in the comments, leave us a like and a comment below. See you next time.